Hello, this is Peter from A.B. McDonald Elementary School. Today we're reading Kit's Tomato Plant. Kit planted tomato seeds in her backyard. First, she dug a hole in the dirt and dropped in the tomato seeds. Next, she covered the seeds with dirt. Then, Kit watered the seeds. She gave them water every day. Later, a little green plant pokes out of the soil. The plant grows tall and strong. Soon it had yellow flowers. The flowers turned into tiny green tomatoes. The tomatoes grew and grew. They turned into big, red, juicy tomatoes. Kit likes to pick the tomatoes and eat them in her salad. Remember to put your name at the top of the page. Number 1. Where did Kit plant her tomato seeds? A. In the house. B. In the dirt. Or C. In her grandmother's yard. What we remember from the story is that she planted them in the dirt. So we'll circle B. Continue on the rest of the page. Number 5. Why do you think Kit planted tomato seeds in her backyard? Use details from the text to support your answer. To answer number 5, we have to look at the story again. I've underlined the last sentence. Kit likes to pick the tomatoes and eat them in her salad. Because of what we read in the story, we know that that is why Kit planted the tomatoes. Why do you think Kit planted tomato seeds in her backyard? Kit planted tomatoes because she likes to eat them on salad. Finish the rest of the worksheet on your own.